Thank you very much Mr. Mufareh for sharing what is in your heart today. You were very transparent and honest with the things that you were able to share with us today. If other owners of companies were as open and honest as you, there would be no need for a correction to the corruption. The things that you shared with us founders were just incredible. We are also looking forward to beautiful things that are in our near future. This should make anyone who has any concerns about Onpassive being real, should be put to rest. Onpassive will always be here. You are laying a rock foundation that is going to be able to withstand anything that the competitors throw at you and Onpassive. Onpassive has put founders in place that can duplicate your feelings and your love for people if they want it. It is mind-boggling how massive of an undertaking Onpassive truly is. Mr. Mufareh, you have an uncommon love for people, and it shows in the way you have Onpassive poised to help millions upon millions of common people who might have lost hope as far as making a living for their families. Founders believe that Onpassive is going to deliver, and do it as no other company has ever done before. You have made founders business owners. Business owners, not affiliates. We own a piece of the rock. That rock is that precious diamond called Onpassive. Thank you, sir, for looking out for us, and we will reward your faith in us by supporting everything that you do to make life better for all of us. We love you, we're behind you 100%. Do everything to make sure that when Onpassive opens to the world, all of us can stand back and be proud and say that we are part of something that's indescribable. We are so in it to win it.